Today I am going to explain about the new topic, that is exponent. Okay. We are going to see about the exponent part 1. Exponent part 1. Most important topic. Okay. Now, exponent. What is the meaning of exponent? A number or a variable that indicates the repeated multiplication of another number. A number or variable that indicates the repeated multiplication of another number. Another number, that number is called as base. That number is called as base. Now see, this one is the base. This one is the coefficient. X is the base, and n is called as power or index or exponent. Power, index or exponent. Whatever we can use, you can use. Okay. See, what is the need of exponent? We will see. Okay. Now, if it is given 2 power of 100. 2 power of 100. Is it possible to write 200 times? 2 into 2 into 2 into so on up to 100 times. Is it possible to write? It will take much time and it will take the much time and much space. To clear that, the exponent has been introduced. Okay. What is the exponent? A number or a variable that indicates the repeated multiplication of another number. Okay. That number is called as base. Now, a power of a into x power of n, that is a into x should be written how many times? X into x into x, how many times? Up to n times. X should be written up to n times. Example, if it is given 5 into x power of 6, 5 into x power of 6, how you will write? 5 into x into x into x into x into x into x. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. X should be written how many times? 6 times. That is 5 is getting multiplied with x power of 6. 5 is getting multiplied with the x power of 6. Then now what is base and what is coefficient? In exponent notation, the number that is multiplied by itself several times, the number which is getting multiplied several times is called as base. See here, this number, example, 5 power of 3, 5 is the base. That means 5 is getting multiplied how many times? 3 times. Okay. In the exponent notation, the number that is multiplied by itself, this number is multiplied itself number of times. If it is given 3 power of 6, that means 3 is getting how many times? It should be multiplied 6 times. 3 should be multiplied 6 times. That is called as 3 is called as base. In exponent notation, the number that is multiplied by itself, this number is getting multiplied itself number of times. Is it not? So it is called as base. Now what is coefficient? See, a number, a numerical or the constant quantity placed before and multiplying the variable. Placed before, this is placing before the variable. 2 is placing before the variable. So 2 is called as coefficient. Or normally a number which is representing, a number which is multiplying with the variable, a number which is multiplying with the variable is called as coefficient. A number which is multiplying with the variable is called as coefficient. Now, already we have seen exponent, base and coefficient. Okay. Once again we will revise it. Three into 4 y power of 3. 3 is called as coefficient, y is called as base, and 3 is called as exponent, power or index. That means this y should be written how many times? It should be written 3 times. Most of the students, they will get confused and they will write in the exam, if it is given like this, they will write 3 into y, that is 3y, but it is totally wrong. What we have to do, we should write this power 3 in how many times? 3 times. If it is given 5y power of 4, how you will write? Y should be written, y should be multiplied how many times? 4 times with the same y. Understood? Now, what is base? Why is the base? Because here exponent notation, the number that is multiplying itself, this number is multiplying itself by number of times, is called as base. What is coefficient? A number which is multiplying with the variable. Why variable? With this variable it is multiplying. This number is called as coefficient. I think everyone understood. Please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.